Welcome back, Poli Glow family. This is Len. I'm one of the owners of Poli Glow, and today I'm here with another Poli Glow pro. This is Rick from New York, my man. How you doing?
Hey, good. How you doing?
Thank you for joining us today. And you reached out to us. I think was it on Facebook that you reached out to us, or
I did find your ad on one of the social medias. I saw you had a website,
yeah,
went to your website, saw where you were from, what you guys do. I saw that red trailer on your website, and I was like, wow,
yeah,
unbelievable. I said, if my trailer can come out half that good,
yeah,
I'll be happy.
yeah.
So we bought this trailer probably 4 years ago from a friend of ours who moved out of state and couldn't take it with her. And the trailer is probably 9 years old now. It's a horse trailer, a 2 horse bumper pull horse trailer.
Okay,
It has some bare aluminum on it, and it has painted the black painted panels. And I'll tell you that when we first got it, I worked on it for a week. I tried every potion and lotion and polish, and I could not get that black to look like it should. I even acid washed nothing worked.
but it's a horse trailer, so it takes a little bit of a beating. I mean, horses are big animals, and I mean, I can only imagine with being in a barn and on a horse farm that they take a little bit of a beating. And
Yeah, it gets dusty, dirty. You're going down back roads, stone chips here and there, and that kind of stuff. We pay that kind of money for a piece of equipment. Why would you just let it sit out there and get crappy looking?
yeah.
I'd like to go down the road looking nice.
Well, I mean, most people take pride in ownership, right?
Yeah,
It's just like a
absolutely.
car. They want their car to look nice. They want it,
Yep.
when they drive down the road, they don't want it to look like a junker. And this is why we exist, right? Because we know people take pride in ownership in their units, whatever that may be.
This is the picture of my trailer, the way it's looked for the last 4 years that I've had it. Like I said, I've tried all kinds of polishes, did all kinds of searching on the internet. I could not find something that would make that thing not look cloudy anymore. That was after I did the poly prep.
It
That's
must
the
have changed.
picture I emailed your people and said, I don't want to prejudge you yet, but I'm not sure this stuff's going to really work. He got back to me immediately and he said he gave me some tips and ideas, but he thought the powder, the poly powder, and the white non-abrasive pad. So then I emailed him again, showed him this, and said, I don't know, buddy. I'm not sure about this.
Yeah. And so then you got this. Take
That's
me through
probably
it.
got about 3 coats of Poly Glow on it. Oh my God, this
Yeah.
stuff's really working. So I had
Yeah.
to back up right away and I took a picture.
This
I
is
sent this picture to I sent it to my wife, I sent it to my daughter, I sent it to my son, and they all came back and were like, holy cow, are you standing in front of a mirror?
I mean, that's amazing. When I saw this picture, I'm like, I got to talk to this guy. Job well done,
Yeah,
Rick.
thank you.
Job well done. It's kind of hard sometimes to teach this to people, but you definitely got it. With this whole project between cleaning, prepping, and then applying Polyglow, would you say it took you less than a day?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
3, 4 hours max
Yeah.
total.
It's just really nice to talk to people who get it.
It's nice to order a product that works.
We
Yep.
really, really appreciate you being on the show today with us, and thank you so much for being part of the Polyglow family.
Sounds great. I thank you for your product. It came out beautiful.